The Downstream Defender Select is the latest generation of hydrodynamic vortex separator for the treatment of urban surface water runoff. Since the 1960s, this technology has been developed and continuously improved, culminating in this latest iteration, the Downstream Defender Select. The internals have been designed to provide drainage design engineers with the ability to customize the performance. 3 models are available to meet different water quality treatment objectives, such as the simple index approach. All configurations of the Downstream Defender Select will remove fine and coarse particles, with further options for additional performance and maintenance enhancements. These include improved sediment retention, removal of litter, oil and other hydrocarbons, enhanced hydrocarbon retention, and automated alerts for maintenance. Engineers can select from an extended range of chamber sizes from 1 meter to 3 meters in diameter. The outlet pipe on the Downstream Defender Select can be positioned to meet site requirements. Each device can accept up to 3 inlets and a wide range of connecting pipe sizes. The Downstream Defender Select is supplied in a concrete chamber, but on sites where access for heavy plant may be restricted, it can be supplied in a plastic chamber. Stormwater is introduced into the chamber via the inlet pipe and flows down the inlet chute. The inlet chute then generates a rotating flow within the chamber. Oils, litter and floatable debris rise to the water surface and are retained in the floatable storage volume. The design of the inlet and outlet chute provides a clear flow path around the perimeter of the chamber, reducing turbulence and aiding sedimentation. The low-energy vortex motion directs sediment inwards along the benching skirt and into the protected sediment storage zone. The treated flow then exits the chamber via the outlet hood. Excess flow during unusually high storm conditions is bypassed over the weir and diffuses into the chamber, greatly reducing the velocity and minimizing head in the upstream pipework. The bypass is designed to initiate at a sufficiently high water level that the captured floating pollutants remain protected inside the chamber. For the advanced Vortex and Vortex Plus models, an option for enhanced hydrocarbon retention can be added to absorb and retain hydrocarbons, preventing washout. To help meet planning requirements for maintenance and to assist with adoption, Hydro International's ATEX certified HydroLogic Smart Maintenance Package can be added to any of the models to provide automated alerts when the unit requires maintenance, reducing costs by eliminating unnecessary routine maintenance and inspection visits. The Downstream Defender Select is designed for easy and safe inspection and clean-out. All maintenance is undertaken safely from the surface. A vacuum tanker is used to remove captured floatables, as well as sediments and associated pollutants in the sump, with no requirement for chamber entry. The Downstream Defender Select can be used as a component in sustainable drainage systems, known as SUDs, to enhance, enable and protect natural SUDs. Capturing sediments and hydrocarbons in an easily accessible location ahead of a SUD storage pond can enable a smaller pond footprint and reduce the frequency and cost of maintenance. Preventing pollutants reaching the pond also helps maintain its amenity and biodiversity values. On a commercial site, working with an upflow filter, the Downstream Defender Select can combine pollution mitigation indices to provide treatment to a medium pollution hazard level. Positioning the Downstream Defender Select upstream of a storm block optimum storage system will preserve the storage volume by preventing sediments settling in the tank. In this example, a hydro brake optimum limits the discharge from the system, backing the flow up into the storm block tank. An upflow filter then provides a final higher level of treatment, including removal of very fine sediments and dissolved metals. A residential development with generally low traffic will be considered a low pollution hazard level, and quality requirements can be met with just a Downstream Defender Select. The small footprint of the device can enable better use of surface space for either amenity areas or additional development. The Downstream Defender Select is ideal for treating runoff from roads, with its small footprint enabling it to fit within the highway boundary. Its plug-and-play, easy installation and single-point access for maintenance helps reduce the risk of time spent at the roadside. Hydro International's online design tool allows drainage design engineers to select a performance objective, add additional options and site-specific conditions, resulting in a recommended Downstream Defender Select. The tool allows you to create projects, save multiple designs and output design summaries. Register free for the online design tool and start tailoring your treatment designs with the customizable Downstream Defender Select. Book a stormwater treatment training session for you and your colleagues. call 01275 337 937 or visit hydro-int.com.